Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you as quick as possible how you can change your language on Google. And this is quite simple. First of all, click right in the top on the three dots and go to settings. Then from here go left in the bar to languages, and then right here this is the option that you need to check. Now if you want to add a language that is not standing just right here, then click on add languages and search for the language that you want to add. Click then on add, and then you edit it just right here. Now, right now we are using the English language, but let's say I'm from the Netherlands, so I like to use a Dutch one. So if I want to use this one, I click on the three dots and click here on display Chrome in these settings. Then right now we do relaunch, and if you can see right now, everything is in Dutch. Now I want it back, so I click on the three dots, Chrome, install the origin, and then right now we click on restart. And right now it's back. So this is exactly how you can change your language on Google. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.